Okay, kiddos, we are making Texas shotgun shells, and I'm doing it a little differently than some of the other recipes that are out there. Number one, I am pre-soaking for a short period of time my Manicotti noodles. That's the big shotgun shell noodles here, in some chicken broth just to kind of get them moistened up, because I don't want to have to wait for hours and hours for them to hydrate in the fridge. Over here we've got Anaheim Peppers. Let's see, which of those I forget the name of the Jalapeno Peppers. Over here we have a head of garlic. There is a whole yellow onion. There are 6 chopped up brown mushrooms. And this here is just kind of a cowboy mix of peppers, corn, and red onion. And so here we have the chorizo sausage, and we've got 80-20 fat pork hamburger blend. And so we are going to put this whole thing in there. I believe it is 2 pounds. Yes, 2 pounds, and this here is 1 pound. So we're going to put all that in there and mix it up, and we're going to put in the whole package of Tillamook 4 Mexican cheese and a cup of the Tillamook Mozzarella cheese. And so yeah, we're looking forward to trying this out. I am also going to add just a little bit of GOYA Chipotle peppers in adobo sauce. Why? Well, for a little bit of color, and I love it. And then also we're going to use a little bit of Tony Chachere's seasoning, which is... there is my Annie Collander's lattice apple pie for dessert. And this here is the Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning. That's like one of my favorite seasonings. Okay, and then the extra stuff here we can use in a scrambled eggs in the morning if there is extra. Okay, so let me start mixing this up, and then these shotguns get wrapped in bacon. Okay, so let's get going. Yeah, I can't really do this with the camera because I've got gloves on and I need both hands to mix. So I will shut the camera down and I will bring you back with the next highlight. Okay, so we have our first batch of them done. Kind of made a mistake though. I had a telephone call distraction, and I ended up having these soak in the chicken broth for too long and they got soft. But it's not going to be that big a deal because they are going to get wrapped in bacon, and that will hold everything together just fine. So these ones here, I'm just going to take these ones and dump them in there as I need them. And fill them with the meat mix. So everything is coming along nicely here. Okay, would lovely assistant mind holding this for a second? Okay, so all I gotta do is just grab one. I just want to get it softened up, moistened with chicken broth. That way the stuff slides in much easier, and the shell doesn't break apart on you. So this works out pretty good. And then you should not need to soak it in or put it in the fridge for hours and hours and hours. Just wrap it in bacon and let her smoke. So here we go. There's one there. Put another of these in here, grab the other one out, and that chicken broth on the Manicotti noodle makes it slide like it's on a 10-lane superhighway right into the barbecue. Okay, so that's good. We will bring you back when we do the bacon wrap. Red button, and then just leave it. Okay, we are now wrapping the stuffed manicottis with thick bacon. And most of these pieces, just one strip of bacon will wrap the whole manicotti, and you lay it on down into the tray. Now we do have a few of them that split, and so these might take 2 pieces of bacon. But you see, what I was saying earlier is if the manicotti does split on you, the bacon will act as a nice big band-aid and hold it all together, just like that. Okay, so I got these done, these done. Now I got to wrap all these. There's our bacon. Okay, so these are the ones that we just wrapped with bacon. These are the ones we still have to wrap. These are the bacon, thick cut bacon, got a big pack. There is how much we have left, about 3 nice burgers in there if we want. And I also took a cup of the mix and put it in with all the chicken broth, and that's going to kind of make a nice little spicy chicken, pork, beef, chorizo, vegetable soup. And so anyway, a couple more pans to go, and then I will put them on the barbecue and we'll be in business. Okay, that's it for now. And there is our finished product here. We're just waiting for the barbecuer to get the coals going. It took too long for me to get out there, so the coals kind of got used up. But there's plenty of coals there to keep us going. So there you are. We got that. Over here is the soup, which I'm looking forward to trying that. And we have 4 extra manicottis that I'm not sure how we'll use those, either in a spaghetti sauce or a Alfredo sauce, or just boil them and then we'll make burgers out of the rest of it. Or we could fry it up and have it spatched in with some scrambled eggs. Okay, I will show you the finished product in a couple hours when that is done. Okay, let's see what we got here. Okay, they're looking good. There we go. This will equalize the heat a bit. It smells awesome. And there is our final product. Look at those delicious Texas shotgun shells. And there is the bonus apple pie, courtesy of Mary Collander's. But yeah, let me get a taste of this thing here. I've already had a taste and they're awesome, awesome, awesome. But I'm just going to have another one real quick. Yeah. Kelly, are you ready for your off-camera sample?
Let the fireworks begin. Taste bud fireworks.
Okay, there you go.
Okay.
Yeah.
Things go better with bacon.
Yep, everything goes better with bacon and Sweet Baby Ray's. So yeah, these are good. I got 3 more of these on the barbecue smoking away. No rush to take them in. Okay. So I give that a very, very, very high rating.
Swallow first.
No, you have a bigger impact when you're talking through your food.
My turn.
Boy, that was good. Okay, so I guess I can give a little credit to Cowboy Ken Rollins. I got the idea watching his video, but I adapted this quite a bit to my own. So there you go. Cowboy shotgun shells. Delicious. Actually, delicious. Okay. So if you enjoyed the video, give a like, comment, share, subscribe. You know the drill. Anything to help the channel.
Thanks.
See you next time. Okay, this is it. I closed it off and left these out here to smoke a little bit longer. And look at them. Who doggy? Look at that. And there you go. Look at those babies smoked so nicely. Those are the first batch. These ones here have about an extra 15 minutes of smoking. All right. Well, I'm going to have another one. And I'd offer you one, but you're not here. All right. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. And there are Archie and Poppy on top of my package from Summit Racing. They want me to get going on that engine so we can go camping again. Those are the shotgun shells with Baby Ray's Hickory barbecue sauce over them. There they are in the sauna with some real wood briquettes and smoking away. So here it is, all done. You've got the delicious Texas barbecue cowboy shotgun shells and the Mary Collander's apple pie with umpqua ice cream in the freezer. And this is Archie just cleaning himself after having some barbecue. Not really, but it was a funny picture. All right, see you next time.